Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to do class 7th mathematics chapter number 10 banks and simple interest practice set 40. So let's start. Before starting the practice set you must know two formulas to solve the practice set, that is principal plus interest is equal to amount, total interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100, where P is equal to principal, T is equal to time in years and R is equal to rate of interest. So let's start the practice sets. Question 1. If Rihanna deposits 1500 rupees in the school fund at 9 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount she will get? So here we have to find that Rihanna, she deposit 1500 rupees in a fund at 9 principal rate of interest for 2 years. So what is the amount she will get? So let's see the answer. So here P means principal. So rupees 1500. R is equal to 9 PCPA and T is equal to 2 years. Okay. So in which formula we will use here? We will use the formula which I already told you. Total interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So what is P? 1500 multiplied by R is 9 into 2 upon 100 upon 100. So how we get the answer now? We cut this 0 with this 0. The zeros are cancelled. So we are left with 15 into 9 into 2. So 15 2s are 30. 39s are rupees 270. The answer is rupees 270. Now we got the amount. Now what she will get total amount. Here we got only interest. So we need to get the total amount. So we will write total amount is equal to principal plus interest. This also formula I told you is equal to 1500 plus 270 is equal to rupees 1770. So as you can write, therefore Rihanna will get total amount of rupees 1770. Okay. Question 2. Jethalal took a housing loan of 2,50,000 rupees from a bank at 10 PCPA for 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay and total amount he returned to the bank? So in this question we have to answer two questions. Like first what Jethalal did, he took a housing loan of 2,50,000 from a bank at 10 PCPA for 5 years. So we have to first find the yearly interest he must pay and the total amount he returns to the bank. So let's find out. Here P is rupees 2,50,000. Okay. R is equal to 10 PCPA and T is equal to 5 years. Okay. So we will use the formula, therefore total interest, we will use this formula only, is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So 2,50,000, that is a P into 10 into 5 upon 100. This 0 get cancelled with this 2, so we have left with 2500 into 10 into 5. The answer is rupees 1,25,000. Therefore, yearly interest, yearly interest is equal to total interest divide by time, because we have to find the yearly interest. No, so yeah, this is a total interest, so we have to find yearly interest, so we will divide it by the time. So 1,25,000 divided by 5 gives us rupees 25,000. I hope it's clear till here. Okay, we have to find also that the total amount to be returned to the bank. So we will write total amount to be returned is equal to principal plus total interest. So Principal is 2,50,000 plus total interest is 1,25,000 is equal to 3,75,000. So therefore you can write the yearly interest is 25,000 and the Jethalal will have to return 3,75,000 to the bank. So we have solved the second question. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. Shrikant deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at 7 PCPA in a savings bank. Amount. What is the total interest savings bank account? What is the total interest he received at the end of the period? So let's find. So first of all we will write the principal. What is the principal? 85,000 rupees. Okay. Then rate of interest is 7% and time is equal to 2.5 years. So we can write in a simpler form 5 upon 2 years. So interest, total interest that is T is equal to, I is equal to P into T into R upon 100, the same formula. So 85,000 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 upon 100. We will multiply down because it's 5 upon 2. So we get the answer like we cut the 2 zeros. So we are left with 850 multiplied by 35 because 7 5s is 35. So we are left with 2 1s is 2. So we will cancel this. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Here gets 1, 2 5s are 10. We are left with 425 multiplied by 35. So 425 multiplied by 35 gives you the answer 14,875. So you can write the statement. Hence, Shrikant will receive 14,875 rupees as an interest from the bank. Okay. Question 4. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? So here we don't know the rate of interest. So the interest on that rate of interest after 4 years, the on 5,000 rupees principal, the interest after 4 years on the rate of interest is 1,200 rupees. So what will be the interest on 15,000 at the same rate of interest for the same period? So let's see the solution. P means principal. Principal is equal to 5,000 rupees. T means time, 4 years. And interest. Okay, the interest is total interest. We already know the total interest. Okay, total interest is 1,200 rupees. So total, we will use the formula total interest I is equal to P into T into R upon 100. So now we know the total interest. No, so we will put 1,200 at the place of total interest is equal to principal is 5,000 into 4. We don't know the rate of interest. We will write as it is R and we will divide by 100. Now 2 zeros get cancelled. So we are left with 1200 is equal to 54 is 200. So 200 into R. So we will put R here. So when we put R this side, it becomes 1200. The here it's multiplications, on the other side it becomes division. So 1200 upon 200. So R is equal to 12 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So R is equal to 6%. Now total interest on the same rate of interest we will find. We got the rate of interest. So on this only interest we have to find on 15,000 rupees. So P into T into R, the same formula of interest wala 100 is equal to 15000 into 4 into 6 upon 100. So we get the answer as 150 into 4. I'll show how I'll get this answer. See here, this 2 zeros will get cancelled. So 4 6 are 24. So we get 150 into 24 is equal to 3600 rupees. Hence, the rate of interest for the same period is 3600 rupees. Okay, I hope you understood this sum. The last question of this practice set, let's solve. Question 5. Pankaj deposit 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10 PCPA for 2 years. What is the total amount he will get from the bank? So let's solve this. So your pre is equal to 1,50,000. This is the fifth question. Okay, and rupees rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest is equal to 10% and t means time is equal to 2 years. We will use the same formula. Total interest wala is equal to p into t into r upon 100. So what is the 1,50,000 is your p principal into 2 into 10 upon 100. So two zeros cancelled. So we are left with 1,500 multiplied by 10 2s are 20. So 20 is equal to 30,000 rupees. Now total amount is equal to p plus 1. No, to find the total amount we did principal plus interest. I am writing in short form principal plus interest, that's p plus 1. So 1,50,000 plus 30,000, we get the interest at 30,000. No, so is equal to 1,80,000 rupees. Hence you will write the final statement. Pankaj will get the total amount of 1,80,000 rupees from the bank. I hope you understood this practice set, all the 5 sums which we did in this practice set. So this was the end of the practice set 40 of class 7th maths lesson number 10, banks and simple interest. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.